Hi everyone, it's Karen here with a mixed media ATC set tutorial. Enjoy! First, I use the groove tool to blend two colors into the background. I apologize that my camera wasn't recording when I added the Calypso teal Dylusion Paint, and then I added the Bubblegum pink and mixed them together, and it turned into a nice purple. I used Prima Finnabair's Trust the Magic stamp and some black archival ink to create some texture in the background using the doily stamp. Then I stamped the heart from the same stamp collection with some embossing ink and embossed it with the peacock color from the Fern Studios new embossing powder. Since I used the watercolor paper pad from Prima and the cards were a little bit longer than I wanted for the ATC size, I trimmed them down and used the leftover papers on the actual cards. I edged the cards with purple metallic ink chalk edger. Then I also inked them in black to enhance the borders. Then I used white and black Posca pens to create some splatters in the background. I used the same pen to outline the cards and then used the black one to create stitches around the edges. I glued the extra strips and added some inspirational words on them. I realized I wanted some more texture, so I added some purple metallic string behind. I had to lift the strips and put them behind and glue them in the background.